Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. We have Toyota Camry. What year is this one here? I'm not sure exactly what year, but why this doesn't want to work? Need an update? What? Do you believe that sometimes those machines also they get stuck? They don't want to work? Hold on. I'm gonna come back to it. It looked like it was not on, or for some reason. I'm gonna open it now. If you notice this car, see, start is hesitating a little bit. It's shut off. We don't know what causing it, but I see check engine light is on. So let us try to figure out. Okay, we have the system is on. Go here. Ignition is on. We try to know what's going on. Maybe we need to get some carburetor spray and spray the intake manifold to see if the car could go by VIN. Okay. Toyota Scion, Lexus, they're all the same. We just want to know what's going on. Maybe engine computer, or maybe, transmission. This is the car, we're decoding everything. What is that? I just go others with the smart, without the smart key, regular key. Okay, that's good. We already know what year model the car is. The power is very good. Diagnose. I gotta go to the engine. Now I want to know what code is there. Trouble code first. Camshaft position, timing over retard. Catalytic converter. Camshaft position, timing over retard. Catalytic brake switch. Camshaft position B, timing over retard. Brake switch. History, current, brake switch. Current. Camshaft position, cam B, timing over retard. Camshaft position, cam B, timing over retard. Wow, that's bad. Trouble code. Engine. Okay. Trouble code. That's too much. Camshaft position pending. System lean. Catalytic converter system lean. System lean. System 2 lean. That could be also because of the maybe gas to erase. Read it. Read trouble code. Okay, now also still it doesn't want to start good. Read code. No code, okay. Let's try to spray something. Also, I want to see my my cooling temperature data. Cooling temperature data is supposed to be good, but I believe there is a problem with fuel maybe. Intake temperature is good. Cooling temperature also is good. Everything look good. Timing over retard. That's not good for the car. Where is it incomplete? We're gonna put something and then we try. Because we have hard cranking, let's try to spray something and then I will crank it to see. We have a system 2 lean and we have a timing over retard. Timing over retard, we have it, but let's try to spray something. If it's gonna help, maybe the fuel also, but timing over retard we have.
Timing against you.
Yeah.
One miles on the car. One miles on this.
A lot. A lot. Okay. When you're ready, let me know. Okay. You're gonna try it from here or from?
I see here loose already, so.
It loose like this?
Yeah.
Somebody drive like this with it? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna try. You can get something beyond the air for a minute. We don't want to affect the reading here. You can get that one, so at least so that you start it and you close it. It's better. Let me go first. Okay. Okay. Bismillah. We spray something, it work, or hard to start, or maybe the fuel is not reaching there in time. This car has 312,000 miles. Maybe the fuel pressure is very low or the fuel system. The only thing we can say is maybe. About it. It happens only when you leave the car. It happens when you leave the car. It doesn't happen when you drive, right? You drive. When you drive. But if you leave the I don't see anything except long cranking and those pending code. But if you think that for all these 300,000 miles, you never put a fuel pump there?
Never.
البامب gas pump.
What is that for, brother?
الطرمبة بتاع البنزين.
عمري ما حطيته في السيارة.
No, أنت.
Huh?
And what do you want to change? What do you are saying you want to change? The pump? البامبينة؟
البومبة يعني المضخة.
المضخة هي البومبة هي الفيل pump.
Do you think that's the problem, maybe, right?
I can't say nothing that have his long test.
كيف
What we're gonna do is like we're gonna put a fuel pressure on it. We start it and leave it. After like you leave it like 3-4 hours and you see if it's gonna lose pressure. And sometimes it lose pressure. There is no pressure till you have to crank it a lot. It build the pressure, then the car start. That also could be one of the reasons. But just if you are not, if the fuel pump is not working, for sure, yeah, you say fuel pump not working. But this is only based on test. How long before you go and come back, then the car doesn't want to start?
I went like maybe 5 minutes and they come back.
How long you drive?
I drive from Long Island here like an hour.
Yeah, it's gonna be okay. So when you go back in 10 minutes, you come, it doesn't want to work. If you want to put a fuel pump, we're gonna get a fuel pump. We put it in, but does not mean that it is a fuel pump. It could be something else because I see retard, camshaft, timing retard also can cause that one.
I just want to fix it to make sure it's good.
Yeah. but we can't give you a permanent solution for a kind of problem like this.
You think if I put fuel pump that may help?
It may, but even the fuel pump, you must have to do a test. A test like you're gonna put a fuel pressure line on it and leave it like 1 hour, 2 hour. Then you're gonna see if the pressure, the fuel pump pressure.
Yeah, they leave it 3-4 hours. They go work and then they come back. Leave it on.
Okay.
That's not gonna bother you. Leave it.
No, it's not that way. It's not that way. We're gonna figure out what needs to be done to check it. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any idea, give it to us. Thank you.
There's a big rain.